Right, so this is Bateswood. It's a nice little walk down here. Isn't it beauty? Yeah, it is. This is the nature reserve down this way. It's alright, girlie, it's alright. Steady on. So you're allowed your horses to hack down this way and bring your dogs and your bike. It takes you straight into, I think it's called Madeley, right to the end of Madeley, but on the other end it's a big main road, so you have to turn round when you get down to the end. There's no loop at Bateswood, it's just to the end, ride in and then back. And it beauts. But it's a nice little walk for her. I've had to go on the main road in Audley from my place to get here. So but it's nice clear blue skies today, and believe it or not, I've got short sleeves on, so it's a really nice day today for October. And it beauts. Yeah. Here it is. More come. So it's a nice little walking day. It's alright, girlie. She's getting a bit panicky a little bit when I'm putting the phone next to her. She's like, "What are you doing, Mama?" I don't know what you're doing. I'd like to buy one of those head cameras that you can put on your, like, it's like a headphone set thing, and it links to the side of your face, but they're like £280 or something, and I can't afford one at the moment. So I've got a GoPro 10. This is my mobile phone I'm using, but my GoPro, for some reason there's a fault with it. It's brand new. I bought it from GoPro, the website, and I bought an extra 2 spare batteries, so I've got 3 batteries, but I'd fully charged them up, but for some reason it keeps saying that it's it comes up 100% on the battery life. It goes on for about 5 minutes tops, and then comes up with a warning light to say that the battery's flat, and then it shuts itself off. So there's a definite problem with it, even though I literally haven't even used it very much. I've only used it a handful of times, and not even for that long either, just to video the kids. So I definitely have a faulty GoPro 10. So whether it's an update, I don't know, but I know that I have had it fully updated through the app, and it still has a problem for some reason. So yeah, but it's so therapeutic coming out with a horse, just walking along bridleways, taking a nice stroll with your horsey, and just giving her a bit more experience. Anyway, she's only 5. She hasn't really learnt a lot, but I need to practice her standing and basically getting on her. It's called mounting, but